Why? Hello? 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 Maybe it's audible. I don't even know if it is. How do I know? Why? Hello? 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 Maybe it's audible. I don't even know if it is. Let me see if I can use this phone's why microphone. Hello? 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 Maybe it's audible. I don't even know if it is. Audio settings device. Okay, nothing phone, and let's choose our input. Mute this. Default, but no, let's use camos. So my audio should be much better right now. Default, but no, let's use camos. So my audio should be much better right now. Okay, it's working. I'm not gonna see there. Yeah, I wanted to create this AI thumbnail, but never mind. So I've been following this, not this. I've been following this what do we say? This YouTube coding tutorial, and I have to say this Flutter is not that difficult. I would say. I mean, I had some previous experience, but it's not that crazy of a language. Maybe because I'm just in the preliminary stage of learning that I feel like this language is not that difficult to follow. I mean, the learning curve might not be that steeper, uh, but let's see. Uh, so yeah, I wanted to push it on my GitHub. Um, I'm done adding it. So what I need to do is shop is um, implemented. Okay, I had to do it within WSL because I don't have the. Never mind. So what I would like to do is I should add ref and git push dash u origin main. So the origin means this repository in my GitHub, and so yeah, okay, it's done. E-commerce front. There's a This project is a starting point for a Flutter application. Okay, never mind. So we are done with WSL. Now I'm back to my uh, good old PowerShell. Um, okay, it's okay-ish. I wouldn't say it's great, and I should probably charge my device. Okay. We are not charging. Still not charging. Okay, it's charging now. Trying not to move it. Okay, it's charging. Um. All right. So what I've been doing was I'm learning. I mean, I'm trying to look at the finished product, right? And then I've tried to recreate it one way or another. I had a bunch of these Flutter documentation opened up because I don't know anything. This is my first time trying to learn Flutter at all. I mean, I did have some experience, you'd say. I created this very just I don't even remember what that was, but I followed a YouTube coding tutorial and made a Flutter application. It was like 2 years ago, and now I'm trying to relearn it just because I don't want to deal with React and all. So, okay, we are trying to make the card page. Um, okay, so all right. Uh, what time? Okay, so this is how it should look. That means, um, okay, what I think I should do is I would make, okay, there's the card page. Let's go to our card page, and we still have our drawer. I don't know why. Okay, there is no drawer, so there's only a back thing. But no, 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 no. We need a drawer. We don't need a drawer, but we just need a something. We don't. We just need something to replace that. How about let's just keep the drawer. Fuck it. Okay, let's just keep the drawer. And what I should try to do is I'll create another component. Um, my cart items dot um, my cart items dot and I would import the material dart, yes, and make a stateless widget. uh, what would I name it? What will I name it? I'll name it at ah I'll name it my cart item, and it's not gonna be placeholder, it's going to be a row. Yes, row. And let's remove the constant because the values that will come here are not going to be constant values. uh, so okay, material data. Okay, now so we'll need product name. That means we need text PRODUCT. Okay. Product one. Okay, I'm trying to create this, to be honest. uh, and we'll have another text, and this is going to be 99.99. Yes. And another thing is, uh, okay, so for this one I can try to icon bottom on pressed, will let it, it's a function, so we'll execute some kind of function to delete the uh, card thing. Okay, yes, I remember. So for icon, we'll use the icon and minus, uh, I don't know, man. Flutter icon search dash something. Dashboard. Uh, my hyphen hyphen. Never mind. Here's add subtract maybe. Uh, minus sign in Flutter. Sure. What the fuck? Okay. Remove. Okay. Remove. This is what we need. So, material icon named remove. Remove. Okay, icon data. Yes, nice. So, why is it not showing? Because I have not imported it. So, what I need to do is I will call my cart item, and I will import it. So it's drawer. Let's have a container, shall we? Okay. I can do a row. So we are returning a scaffold, and there's the app bar, and there's a drawer. So okay, body. Okay, body. We can use body, and we can give a container in, like get a container in there, and then we can my cart item. We can, okay, no. So we'll need to have a child, and it's going to be size box. Fuck it, size box, and we'll no container and then row. Child will make it row, and then that row will consist of this my card item, like one of them. Why row and then children. Now this will have my cart item. Okay, nice. What I need to do is okay, so children. There are two children. I want it to be a row, but column. Okay. and this will be row. This will be row which will consist of these two products. What the fuck? Why can I not? Okay, I need to say that these are the children. Okay, and there is this row and this one. So I'll main axis alignment column means this one. So cross axis. Why? Main axis? Where is the minus thing? I don't even see it, man. Hey, okay. Space between. So this is the main axis. Cross axis. Okay. I understood what's happening. So what basically happening is our well, it's a column. So our main axis is this one, right? So when I do space between, then it's taking up the entire space. But when I do cross axis, this column is occupying only up to this much. So what we'll need to do is we need to make it occupy the entire space, this much. So what we can do is width, not width. Maybe I'll have to wrap it inside another sized box and give its width. Okay, let's give its width as double dot infinity infinity. And now if I do cross axis alignment, no, not from here, cross axis alignment and cross axis axis alignment dot stretch, what do we get? Nothing. Firstly, I would just make this text. What the fuck? Okay. My product title dot art. Okay, and let's go to cart. Whenever I go to cart, it's failing. So I do not care, but I would like to make it such that fix this. Okay. The issue is that row widgets, children text widgets are not spaced and the layout may not look correct. Also, the icon button should be inside the row for better alignment. Wrap the row and icon button in a single row and use spacer or size blocks for spacing. Let's see it now. Launching, launching, launching. Uh-huh. Okay. Cart. Okay, it's shitting. Shitting again. Unnecessary instance of container. Cat page. Ah. How about? How about I don't use it right now, and will. And okay, so we this used spacer with um color scheme dot inverse primary. Um, okay. How about I put it in Chat GPT? Polish suggestions. Okay. Uh, it's returning container, and there's padding. It seems. The child is row. Why is the child row? Okay. I dare. I'll do it. All right. So this is what's happening. Mm-hmm. Row, and let's say it's column. It's a column. Then it froze. It fucking froze. Man, I don't know what's wrong. Is it this line? Um, I should probably create a Ubuntu WSL thing. Uh, Git. Okay, it's again it shit itself. I'm just gonna copy paste now. I don't give a fuck. My primary objective is to learn Django, not Flutter. So I don't care if I copy paste the entire code in this thing. It shit itself again, man. It did it. Android. Okay. What's happening? follow the video.
moving. So let's actually require that as a parameter as well.
I am going to follow the video. Ah, okay.
And create a
Card page.
list view builder. So it's going to be similar to what we did on the shop page. We're going to get the individual items in the cart and just return it as a list tile.
Okay, from what I know, from what I've understood until now, there's this file called product.dart, which basically it's only a class and with a constructor that instantiates a product, that object of that product. And yeah, like so each time we do this, it's passing in all the information and we get a list which is stored in underscore shop with all the products and their attributes like name, price, and description. All right, so that is what I know. All right, and so in this user cart, user cart means the items that we have put in the cart page of this website, of this application. So okay, there's icon, there should be an icon button, size box, return this, that, pick from a selected list of premium products. uh, okay, my product tile, my product tile, my product tile, and there should be a, okay, on pressed we pop it. Let's do a practical. You don't know how much I'm confused with all this stuff. I'm just diving in deep, but I feel like I'm learning a lot as well, so that's fine. Okay. Let's go to the shop page. It's in the shop page, and let's go to the cart. Uh, when you click this, so it's a dialog, something, show dialog, yeah, void add to cart. There's a method called add to cart, which is, okay, icon button, it means this one, and add to cart, and then context is uh, the entire thing, right? So in this add to cart we get build context, and the context builder, not actually what all this is, I don't know. So add this card to your item. It's very fika. Let's style it, text style, color, theme. Let me see if I can get it from here. Ah, nice. Let's do a reload real quick. And okay, add this item to your cart. If I press yes, what happens, do you think? What do you think happens? So if I press yes, context dot read shop, and on press dot navigator. Okay, if this yes navigation button is pressed, Then it first of all it pops the context. So context means the card it's popped, and then uh, the context is then read shop. Okay, I need to watch a video or something. I don't understand any of this. So dot add to cart is done, right? Product. Okay. So context dot read shop is this file, shop, and add to cart is done over here. So we are passing in the product. Um, that means if I keep on doing this, I'll have a. I already have my thing over there. So let's let's try to just print this out. Okay. So print and what the why avoid print for this line? Why should I avoid? So one argument value a print hi. Hi. Make it update when print the product if the item is added to cart. Let's add shop.cart and then ah, only this much. Print the project. To print the product when it's added to cart, update the add to cart method to in your shop class to include a print statement. So notify listeners, print added to cart, and okay, this, not even this. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's try to reload the entire application. Print. Yes. Now let's do it again. And okay. Added to cart wireless earbuds. Nice. Item. Add to cart. How about we just print out item? Added to cart instance of product. So, okay, nice. Okay. So I know this, and maybe I can just write the logic over here. Uh, my product tile. my product list पाए मेरा हमें okay, it's very hard for me to actually come up with a logic on how to do it. What can I use? Okay. So okay. How to print out an entire shop.dart from shop.dart? I need to print out underscore cart, right? Get user cart. So get cart. Context not read shop. Okay. डट एड टु कार्टमा चाहिँ डट एड टु कार्टमा चाहिँ एड गरिरहेको छ होइन ओके 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 म कस्तो केही नि बुझिरहेको छैन यार अब त एभ्रिथिङ इज जस्ट गोइङ आउट अफ लाइक अबभ माई हेड what I want to do is I would like to print out the card first of all. So every time the card the shop page this is updated every time it's done. What we should do is my product type. So every time this is done, how about I do print shop dot cat sure, let's print it out and the so added mechanical cart, it's empty. Why is it empty? Because maybe it's because of this. List product. Print the user card. Final card context dot read shop card. Instance of product, so it's saying this like it's saying instance of product. So given seine user card. Show the show the product name. Show the DRODUCT name in cart user. Scaffold messenger so small. Guys, this is getting incredibly frustrating for me to do it on my own. Uh, the problem that I'm facing right now is that I don't know how like the normal things work in Dart. Uh, if I were to print out the card, uh, it's saying instance of product. So each time it's saying instance of product, I don't understand. Like I can't even access its name. It's not there. Literally, it's not there. Or is it? Instance of product. That's not how it should have worked. I don't know how it works. That's the problem. Right? So, why is it saying that? I'm following the
So we'll
tutorial. I
give
give
it
up.
the name, we'll give it the price,
and
and
also
also
a
a
trailing
trailing
icon
icon
for us
for us
to
to remove
this from
this
the
from the
card.
card.
Add wireless village. Why is it saying that? Okay. In our shop page, speak from a selected list of premium products. Okay. Okay. Card page. card item here. Card item. Okay, so we have children and expanded child list view dot builder and item builder, uh, context and index, final item equals to cart and index. So cart is not here. Where is cart? Get individual item in cart, final item and index, and return list style, title, text, item dot name, subtitle, text, item dot price dot to string strings fixed 3 trailing icon button. Okay, it's a return statement. So you are यो के भइरहेछ यहाँ?
So
So
finally,
finally,
it's
it's
still
still
empty
empty
because
because
we
we
didn't
didn't fill it out.
have a
Have a
cup at the
cup at the
bottom.
bottom.
It
It
says
says
that
that
एबार कार्ड लिस्ट गर्ने चाहिँ यहाँबाट भयो होइन. कार्ड लिस्ट गर्ने यहाँबाट भयो. अनि यो लिस्ट बिल्डर सकेपछि चाहिँ हामीले त्यहाँ पछि चाहिँ अनि पे बटन बनाउन सकिन्छ. सो बटन एलिभेटेड बटन बनाऊँ अनि अन प्रेस चाहिँ केही नगर्ने बनाऊँ. मैले चाइल्डमा चाहिँ टेक्स्ट राखिदिउँ. टेक्स्टको डेटा चाहिँ हाम्रो के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि पे नाउ भन्ने हुन्छ. सो यति भयो भने हाम्रो अब चाहिँ कार्ड.
So let's
so
start
let's
by
start by
getting
getting
access
access
to that
to that
card.
card.
And
Create.
Okay, so we don't have access to card. त्यो चाहिँ मलाई थाहा थियो. So final card equals to context dot watch shop on the file, which can be imported from here. Ani dot cart. You got in money saying, is this it? Expected to find this one. यो त गर्न मिलेन नि त. Initial range error, invalid value, only value value is 0 or 1.
Create a list view builder. So it's going to be similar to what we did on the shop page. We're going to get the individual items in the cart and just return it as a list tile.
So shop page magazine individual item ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಸ list view builder padding ಇವರಸ item builder यहाँ भयो
So
So we'll give it the name, we'll give it the price,
and
and also a trailing icon for us to remove this from the cart.
अब so okay wait wireless earbuds चाहिँ कहाँबाट आयो एउटा आयो त्यसपछि आएन यो के भयो बडीभित्र बडी किन्छ यो के हो यार Shit. Issues. This expects a parameter now after we add it on item tab in previous answer. Your body is using a row which makes just user column layout instead of row. Also wrap list view is an list visualizing in an expanded. I'm so done. Whoa. Okay. Surface वाला ये रहा हाँ. What the fuck? Give better skill. हाँ खुद तेरे देखा था. Restarting. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, this is very shitty. This is horrible. Shit. Uh, okay, this one. How do I do? How do I take it? Copy X. From color dot from how to use how to use X value in color Flutter. Color. Okay, so 0x direct color and this one. So what if I want to redo this now? It's dark. It is very dark. Fuck off. I don't need it. Okay. So के गरौँ यार म okay, I'm gonna give it over here. adjust it for my project. Okay, ठीक छ, let's go. Soft background color. किन यति दिइरहेछ यसले, के भइरहेछ यो? ए भगवान यार, I don't know if I can even use this much of colors. Okay. Okay, this is shit. Use a primary बनाइयो भयो. Secondary color is black and background on surface. Surface is this one. Foreground. Background is okay. यो हटाउने फङ्सनालिटी बनाउनु छ अनि use primary for interactive elements like button. तेरी यार, ल जा. I need color palette generator. Choose दुईवटा color, indigo and teal. Right. CSS. What the fuck? It's not totally change this, होइन. अनि I'm gonna try to primary मा चाहिँ to this one अनि background on surface भन्नेवाला यो भएन. So background मा चाहिँ मैले यो दिने भए, on surface यो दिन्छु अनि secondary भने white भइहाल्यो. Inverse primary, deeper muted green for error slash icons. Okay, ल यो ट्राई गरौँ ल. Still shitty. किन यस्तो भयो यो हरियो ठिक छैन. Inverse primary. धेरैमा ओके never mind. कलर प्यालेट भन्ने चिज त्यस्तै हो. म त्यसमा पछि पर्दैन, बट the only thing that I want to do right now is to make it functional, right? So यो बनाऊँ त्यसपछि चाहिँ यता कतै पनि क्लिक गर्दाखेरि त्यो डिरेक्टली खुल्नेवाला बनाउनु पर्ला. फेरि होइन एकछिन. ए ठिकै हो. यसमा क्लिक गऱ्यो भने बनाउनु पर्ला. ओके, सो यसमा चाहिँ अब चाहिँ पे नाउ भनेपछि यो भयो. सप पेजमा यो छ, लिस्ट बिल्डर छ. अनि यसमा चाहिँ कार्ड पेजमा भयो. साइज बक्स आइकन रिमुभ. ओके, यहाँ छ on page. Remove item.
Now this
Now
is
this
showing
dialog
dialogue
to confirm if the user actually wants to.
Method one.
The method is going to be quite similar, so I'm just going to copy that earlier dialog that we created.
Okay, so sub पेजमा भएको वाला चाहिँ हैन. सब पेजमै हो. डायलॉग वाला खै. Add to cart, remove from cart हो. Add to cart, show dialog. यति हो. Product
and
And just
cart page. Build context.
let's change
change
up
up
these.
these.
to
to
remove,
remove this item from the
and we need to know what product
cart.
we're
we're
removing.
removing. So let's actually
just
change up these.
and
के किन राख्नै पर्दैन थियो त्यही पनि
And we need to know what product we're removing. So let's actually require
that
as a parameter as well.
Let's
Let's
actually
actually
Yeah,
require that as a parameter as well.
product okay so product भन्ने क्लास को product भन्ने चाहिँ त्यो हो अनि context भनेर छ नि त हैन कहाँ छ context expanded remove from cart context लाई पास गरिरहेछ on pressed equals to र यो छ
Sweet. And whoops, we forgot to specify the item count, which is just however long the cart is. Sweet. Okay, let's try this. So,
यो किन भइरहेछ न फेरि स्टेटस पेज
So if
I add this to the cart and I go to the cart page, you can see there is the item.
And we can
And we can also click this minus button to
ask
ask the user if they want to remove this. Sweet, that's looking really good. Ask the user if they want to remove this. Sweet, that's looking really good. Okay, now one thing I want to do is you can see the majority of this column is the cart list. Now at the bottom we want to have a pay button. So let's use our button. What we're going to do is here real quick saying the context just and awesome. For you to do is write a little. And let's just return a text widget saying your cart is empty. So there it is.
So if I
just
there it
There it
is.
is.
And if
And if
I
I
pay
pay
now,
now,
you
you can
can see
see
that
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 button
button
works.
works.
And
Good.
now,
Now,
just for
just for
convenience,
convenience,
I
I
think
think
it's
it's
a
a good
good idea
idea
to
to
put
put
a
a
cart
cart
button on the
button on the
top
top
app
app
bar
bar
so that we can always access it.
access it.
So in the
So in
app
the
bar,
app
in the
bar, in the
actions, let's
actions, let's
create a
create a
quick
quick
button
button
here
here
for
for
the
the
cart.
cart.
So actions. App bar actions. Elevated button on pressed. Icon button on pressed. Icons icon start. Uh, shopping cart. I press for your on its right. Um, navigator dot uh, push named context dot name sign slash cart page. Cart page map. My draw a lot I didn't money. इस पर कोई API यूज कर रहा हूँ
App bar. Sweet, which
Sweet,
brings
which
us
brings us
to
to
drawer.
drawer.
shopping cart shop page
Sweet,
Sweet, which brings us to
the
the
images.
images.
So I've
So I've
actually
actually already
prepared
prepared
some
some
images.
images.
So
So
I've got some
some
square
square
images
images
here,
here,
like the
like the
glass,
glass, the hoodie, the shoes,
and the
and the
watch.
watch.
So
So
you
you
obviously
obviously
don't need to use these exact images. You can choose whatever images you want and the products that you're selling. So
let's
let's
say
say
you
you have
have
some
some
images
images
in a
in a
folder
folder
called
called
assets,
assets,
and then
and
go
then
to
go
your
to your
project,
project,
and you
and you
just
just
want
want
to
to
drag
drag
that
that
into
into
your
your
project.
project.
And
And
then
then we want to come back to our code and we have to tell it
in the
in the
pubspec.yaml
pubspec.yaml that we are
bringing
bringing
in
in
some
some
assets.
assets.
So
So
if
if
you
you
scroll
scroll
down,
down,
you
you
can
can
comment
comment
this
this
little
little
bit
bit
out
out
and
and
specify
specify
where
where
git git add to cart add to cart
what the assets folder is. Sweet.
So pops spec dot assets.
Save it and close that. And if you come to my product model, remember we commented this out. So let's.
So in this product, we comment this
Now try to have an image. So when we create our products, we have to give it an image path. And so just for the first product in the assets, what is it called? So assets slash, let's say, glasses.png. Make sure to write the exact file name. I'm just going to do the same thing for the other ones.
Okay. There's an icon use for assembly, but find me an image for yoga mat.
Assets what? Too much. So if you scroll down, you can comment this little bit out and specify where the assets folder is. Sweet. So save it and close that. And if you come to my product model, remember we commented this out. So let's now try to have an image. Right, so when we create our products, we have to give it an image path. And so just for the first product in the assets, what is it called? So assets slash, let's say, glasses.png, make sure to write the exact file name. I'm just going to do the same thing for the other ones. Sweet, now if I come to my product tiles, this is the UI to display it. And right now we are displaying just this favorite heart icon. So I'm just going to remove that and let's say image.asset, and then we can just say the product.imagePath. And it should be good to go. So save it now.
Yoga mat. Tactile keys means RGB keyboard mechanical. And then okay, yeah. Bulb means smart LED bulb. You have it on. Alright, so यतिसम्म भयो हैन यो सबै ठिकै छ हामीलाई चाहिने चाहिँ अब खासमा गर्नुपर्ने चिज भनेको चाहिँ माई प्रडक्ट टाइटल के हो यसलाई कहाँबाट हेर्छ रे my product type you care काण्डै मचाइदियो के भयो shopping cart outlined okay not that hot okay यो चाहिँ शपिङ पेज वालामा जानु पर्यो अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ आइकन भन्ने जहाँ छ यो चाहिँ त्यहाँ भयो हैन अनि हामीले चाहिँ सेलेक्ट भनेर छ त्यसपछि लाएर माई प्रडक्ट टाइलमा जानु पर्यो माई प्रडक्ट टाइलमा चाहिँ एस्पेक्ट रेशियो छ कन्टेनर छ बक्स यो सबै चिज छ तर चाइल्ड चाहिँ हाम्रो
a good idea, especially when you bring in assets like this. It might be a good idea to kill your app and just good ideas.
Okay, so इमेजमा चाहिँ के अरे चाइल्डमा चाहिँ इमेज डट एसेट your product dot image path now Okay, हो गया
And it should be good to go. So save it. Now, it might be a good idea, especially when you're bringing in assets like this, it might be a good idea to just kill your app and just rebuild it.
My card items में से account करे शॉप में और किया ऐसा image का
And if you rebuild it, then you should get no issues. And it looks like we have some nice images there for the products.
ये damn Atkins are the cutest though धेरै हाइरेस भएर Okay, this was an incredibly boring session. I don't know what I will be doing coding like this, but let's just do the look.